7 habits that can damage your health. Method 1. Stress. An unhappy lifestyle releases stress hormones that increase your blood pressure and blood sugar, lower immunity, slow digestion and make you overweight. Modern life can lead to chronic stress and to far-reaching impacts on health such as sleep problems. If you have stress symptoms, taking steps to manage your stress can have numerous health benefits. Explore stress management strategies, such as regular physical activity, relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga. Keep a sense of humor, socialize with family and friends and set aside time for hobbies, such as reading a book or listening to music. Method 2. Drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol consumption causes physical and emotional changes that can do great harm to your body. The long-term effects of alcohol abuse are many, putting your health in serious jeopardy and endangering your life. It's no secret that alcohol consumption can cause major health problems, including cirrhosis of the liver and injuries sustained in automobile accidents. Besides this, excessive alcohol consumption is also linked to heart disease, depression, gout, cancer and nerve damage. Method 3. Smoking. Smoking causes 30% of heart disease deaths, 30% of cancer deaths, and a massive 80 to 90% of all lung cancers, while increasing the risk of developing mouth, throat, and bladder cancer. Once you quit, the health benefits are almost immediate, because your lungs and cardiovascular system begin repairing themselves within minutes of your last cigarette. Within a month, your lungs will work better and you should be coughing less, feel more energetic, and have less shortness of breath. Quitting smoking significantly reduces the threat of cancer or heart disease, improves your sense of taste and smell, and gives you better endurance. Method 4. Poor quality of sleep. Constantly skipping rest hours leads to fatigue and lack of focus, short temper and a higher risk of depression. Poor quality of sleep can interfere with the immune function, disrupting the body's ability to fight pathogens, can lead to high blood pressure and cause excessive production of cortisol, which increases stress and favors weight gain. Method 5. Not drinking enough water. If we constantly keep our bodies in a state of dehydration by not drinking enough water, it can have a major impact on our overall health. Not only it causes fatigue, dry skin, irritation, affects our ability to focus and our productivity, but the lack of water can also alter the functioning of kidneys and lead to an impaired immune function due to the accumulation of toxins. Method 6. Overusing painkillers and sedatives. When painkillers and sedatives are not taken properly, long-term habitual use can cause more problems than it solves. Using drugs like ibuprofen or aspirin for arthritis or muscle pain can over time increase the risk for ulcers, gastrointestinal bleeding, high blood pressure and heart attacks. Calming drugs and sleeping pills can leave you feeling confused and prone to stumbling and falling if you take them in higher than prescribed doses. Since such medication makes you feel good, you may want to keep on taking them, turning them into a habit or addiction before you know it. Hence, only take medications prescribed by your treating physician and do not self-medicate. Method 7. Poor position of the hand while working on the computer. While we're well aware that spending too much time in front of the computer is not healthy for our eyes, we tend to neglect the other harmful effects. Pain and numbness of hands and fingers is a common symptom among people working on the computer for long hours. This increases the risk of developing carpal tunnel syndrome. This syndrome manifests through numbness, tingling, and pain in the hand, a sensation of discomfort that travels up the arm toward the shoulder, and an electric shock-like feeling in the fingers. Although these manifestations aren't threatening, they can affect one's precision when performing delicate motions, such as writing, buttoning the shirt or holding the phone.